Hi folks, look at SharperTrades market popped today. 600 is on the SPY is a good support as well as the 80 The resistance moving forward, the 612 and 620. 80 595, 94 and the 50 SMA are the support. COUR, Coursera is a swing today, accelerated, went to 872 and then backed off. The technicals remain bullish, we are tightening stops. 8 and 750. Targets are 9, 10, and 11.50. FIVN, this one is a swing on the move. I like the technicals, I like the pattern. It's filling this gap, has filled this gap and is now, let's see, this low here, 40, 49. So we are above the low, gap is filled. Still below this high, let's see, 42, 42. 42, 46, so 4 pennies higher, that's positive. Post-market above it, so I'm expecting an extension tomorrow. Target is 44, 48, and 51. Support 40 and 38, pretty much. Same. FIVN is a swing initiated yesterday, today hit the target, few pennies shy away. The target was 36.07, today went to 36, basically. We are tightening stops, 34 and 33. Targets 36, 39.50, and 43. ROKU, after all over the place move, up, down, finally is making a break after this, we can call a multi-month consolidation. And the breakout point is 80.77, 81. Today the target 85, pullback technicals are bullish, big volume today. 90, 95, and 100. I think that's wants to go that direction. Support is today low and 70.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.